Kalau nak jadi developer, you make sure you have to be on site, okay? Like this guy over here, he's always on site. Dan okay, tengah pungut barang-barang berharga walaupun kecil. Okay, I tengah atur ini tayar, tukar tayar. Tengah solve problem ni. Today, tayar punctured, so kena tukar tayar. Okay, tayar sudah keluar. Be a bit different lah. Don't be so scared of problems. Take it as a challenge and enjoy solving it. Isi angin dengan it takes two grown-up men to fix this gigantic tire. Apabila kita tidak boleh angkat tu tayar sendiri, as you can see, it takes two grown men to carry this tire. So you hire someone else to help you out. Don't try to do back-breaking jobs. Apa tu? Bos sendiri, tauke sendiri kena buat. Baru pekerja akan ikut contoh kita. You need good, reliable, effective machinery. This is the real jentera lah. Political jentera lain. That one not reliable.
That's why I want the Hitachi fast. Everything very fast.
I love you, Hitachi. I love you. You're great. So today we had two problems. One, the tree was blocking the way. It was being an obstacle, an obstruction. And two, the tire. And three, lorry stuck in the mud. Nah, tengok ni. Lori dah sikit terkubur. So lori lain ada 2-3 lori untuk tolong kawan. Yay! Sedapnya my breakfast today. Yummy. I just ate my problem for breakfast. Delicious.